Hey guys, here we are. Out here we had a little rain today. I'm standing about 3 inches of rain here by the pool. Walking over to the pool. I think it's full. It's pretty much up to the white part. So she's pretty full up to the ladder. Still clear though. Looks like the cows survived. They survived the 3-hour downpour. They were all tucked up in the barn, probably. They were all tucked up in the barn. There's Jose over there. The other two here. Looks like the chickens survived. Alright, well, I gotta pump this pool down a little bit. She's a little full. Looks like we got one chicken decided to fly out. Turkey's calling me. Ducks are loving it though. I'm pretty sure the ducks are swimming around like having a good old time over here. There's a duck swimming around. Quack. Quack, quack. Got a little wet. Perfect for a duck though. Turkeys and everybody's squawking. Alright, gotta run guys. Gotta go feed some cows. I hear you, turkey. Alright, bye.